Hello, Caroline from Premier Fitness. Today, we're going to do a quick 5-minute workout. This can be done in the morning before you take your shower and you get ready for work. Just something to get your blood flowing, your heart pumping. So we're going to start with 15 squats. Good. Next, we're going to do 15 calf raises. If you have like a step, you can do it off of the step, but you can also just do it standing. Alright. Then we're going to do 10 lunges per leg. Good job. Now, we're going to do 15 push-ups. If you can't do regular push-ups, you can do ones from your knees. All right, next thing is going to be 25 crunches. Good. All right, I'm going to grab some water, catch your breath. All right. The last thing is Superman's. So you're going to lay down, and then you're going to bring your chest and your feet off the floor. 15. All right. So, this was your 5-minute workout before the shower or before you get ready for work. Again, it's good to do exercise. If you only have a few minutes, this is better than, not doing anything at all. It's always good to do stuff in the morning to get you ready, get your blood flowing. So, as much as you can, try to add in these little tidbits, these small, short 5-minute workouts. Then you can slowly work up to doing more. So, thanks for joining us. Have a good one.